Lesson 2. Polite expressions. Let's learn English. Words to study. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Goodbye. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. May. Can.
Hello, Betty.
Hello, Matthew.
Bye, Betty. Bye, Matthew.
Goodbye, Martin.
Goodbye. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Hello, I am Matthew.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Hi, I am Betty.
Thank you, Betty.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.